Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be taming parrots. I already tamed one of them. Yeah, this is Minecraft Pocket Edition, and then this upgrade we have parrots, banners, and the fire. Check this out. I already tamed this. It is actually in my shoulders. Sure, I can have two parrots in my shoulders, but whatever, I'll stick with this parrot. And there's also like different kinds of parrots. Yeah, anyways, yeah. There's blue ones, like these. There's like so much different colors, and they all dance just like in Minecraft PC.